Okay guys, today I want to talk about something that's very important to everyone. I think that this will help you whether you are just starting off your fitness journey or if you're already deep in it and you're trying to achieve those goals and gains. And that is dieting. Well, to get some context, let's talk about the textbook definition of a diet. Basically, a diet is the type of foods that people habitually eat, right? Everyone eats a lot of different things, and each person has a wide variety and range of foods that they eat. Their diet. But, so the thing about that is, dieting in this society, to me, it feels like it has such a negative connotation to it. And personally, I don't think that it should. I mean, I remember when I started dieting during the summer of last year, and I lost like 21 pounds. I weighed 180 pounds, and I was eating a lot of food, a lot of fast food, a lot of fried foods, drinking a lot of sugar, and I was just feeling miserable. Yes, I was working out in the gym, and yes, I was getting those gains, but I wasn't hitting the goals that I set for myself based on my habits, based on my eating habits. So I decided to change my lifestyle, and now I weigh 159 pounds. I lost a good chunk of weight over the summer up until now, and I'm still trying to achieve those goals of, monitoring my food. I think the biggest reason as to why people don't like dieting is simple. You don't like to change what you're comfortable with, right? I get it. I mean, everyone does. You're so used to eating the things that you like, to restrict it or to stop it is just bad, to you, personally. The verb dieting in the context to losing weight means restricting your food intake to achieve weight loss. And change is a scary thing. I get it. It's hard. It's difficult. But the thing about dieting is it's not grueling. It's not miserable. And I personally don't like the word dieting. It's changing your lifestyle. You need to look at every diet or every diet that you try to undertake as something that you can do for the rest of your life. I want you to think of it like getting a job. When you work at a job that you are miserable in, the quality of your work, whether you know it or not, will decrease. People don't like to do things that they don't want to do. And if they're forced to do it, it'll just be half-assed or like just a lower result because of it. You need to make a commitment to your lifestyle. For those of you that are trying to lose weight, you need to be committed to it. And it's hard, I know, but it's not miserable and it's not impossible. I know you guys can do it. You just have to get into the mindset that this is something that you're trying to make change for the better. You're delaying short-term gratification for long-term satisfaction. And my friend always tells me the hardest things in life are the ones worth doing. You deciding to make this change is already amazing in itself. Now you just need to implement it. Every diet that you decide to do, or every time you decide to change your lifestyle, every food choice that you try to make, whether you're trying to do this diet, whether it's keto, whether it's intermittent fasting, whether it's just restricting your calorie intake, make sure it's something that you know that you can do for the rest of your life. If you look at it that way, then it's easy. It's just a few minor adjustments. And hey, I'm not telling you to stop eating the foods that you enjoy. I mean, we like to eat what we like to eat, and there's nothing wrong with that. Disgustingly enough, I like McDonald's, personally. I love it. I still get a burger from McDonald's from time to time, but I just eat it in moderation. This is going to build discipline for you when you decide to restrict your diet in the very beginning. When you decide to restrict the food that you eat, when you decide to make that change in your lifestyle, eventually you'll just get used to it. When I first started cutting off sugar and stopped eating fast food, I didn't like it at first, but after a while I just stopped craving the food, and I personally don't crave going out to eat as much anymore. I make food at home, or I just eat something healthier instead. You eventually get used to it. We are meant to adapt. We're beings that adapt. When it comes to losing weight and eating healthy, you will get used to it. I promise you. You guys got this. I believe in all of you. I'm just saying, when it comes to looking at a diet, you need to look at it as a change in your lifestyle, because a diet presupposes something that you're just going to do for a short period of time and then drop it. And 9 times out of 10, people that do those extreme and grueling diets in the first place, they're the ones that drop off of it and then relapse to going back to eating the way they do. I know people that say they're going on a diet and then they do it for like a couple of months and then they just go straight back to doing what they were doing, and it just ruins all of your progress. And don't do that to yourself, especially if you want to eat healthier and you want to have a better lifestyle and you want to look good and you want to feel good and you want to feel confident in what you can achieve. You want to make sure that you can do this for the rest of your life. It's a commitment. People commit to all types of things. People commit to the jobs that they work to. People commit to the decisions that they make every day. Why won't you commit to your fitness, your health? I don't think it's a bad thing, and I think that it'll only do better for you in the future. So it's just something to think about when you decide to. It's something to think about when you decide to choose your diet, per se. But like I said, don't think of it as something that you're going to do in the short term. You're always going to be looking at your diet when you're starting your fitness journey. You're always going to try to spruce up things. And there's nothing wrong with trial and error. I think the best thing about fitness is you can try a multitude of different things and get a multitude of different results. You know, you can try a diet for like a month or two. See how that works. Do you like it? Is it easy? Is it hard? Is it difficult? No? Keep it. Yes? Move on to the next thing. Try different things to make sure that you are doing that. But I think the biggest thing, it just involves people don't like change. And if anything, it shows that you have the guts and you have the grit to make a change in your life that not a lot of people are willing to do. So that says a lot about you if you can do that. But that's all I have to say for today, guys. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, make sure to like and subscribe. I'm going to be posting videos every Monday on tips, advice, and tricks and motivation that you guys can use to keep and kickstart your fitness journey. If you have any questions of any sort, you can follow me on social media. You can follow me on Twitter at @TheVeryBigO, or you can follow me and talk to me live on twitch.tv/OsaOjon. Both of those links are in the description below. I stream every Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday from 4 o'clock on Tuesdays and Thursdays and 11:30 on Friday. So if you have any questions at all, don't forget to follow me and talk to me, hang out. The question of the week for you guys today is, how do you view a diet? What do you think about it? What is a diet to you? And how do you implement that? It's a good discussion to have when it comes to, you know, talking about your dieting and stuff like that. And I want you guys to remember, if no one else does, know that I believe in you guys. And I know that you guys can achieve the goals that you set out to do. We're human beings and we are tough. Here at the House of Gains, we believe that we can achieve these goals. So thanks for tuning in, guys. I appreciate you guys watching and going through the video. And as always, praise the House of Gains. I'll see you guys later. Peace.